Hey, what's up, guys? It's Steph, man, back with a quick vid. Today, man, I want to unbox something really cool that I got with Microsoft's Black Friday deal. As you can tell by my setup, man, it's another controller, but enough talking. Let's get straight into it. So this big box or baggy type deal came into the mail yesterday. Got this for Black Friday. This is a new one for me, but not so new for you all, and you can already see this is the brand new StormCloud Vapor Xbox controller. So I got a comment from the last video saying, man, he had already pre-opened this. He already pre-opened it. Yeah, I did not. So this has not been opened at all. Shouts out to me, Steph. So this came in the mail, man. Let's check out what else is inside. Nothing. That was a pretty huge package for this box right here. But I'm really looking forward to this one, man. Like, Xbox has been dropping so many controllers lately. I don't think I've been able to keep up, but let's see what's in the box. So you got the StormCloud Vapor, very premium looking box. This one is special edition, kind of like his buddy here, the Starfield one. Drop me a line below if you all have been playing Starfield lately. It's getting into the winter months. This game is like 8 million hours long. I'm only into like 3 hours of it, and I feel like, good grief, is there any more left? Another topic though. So on the side here, you see you got all the StormCloud stuff going on here. It's really premium look, same Xbox feel. Again, you're going to be having the uniquely created type StormCloud deal. You the share button, wireless, Bluetooth, and the rubberized grips. Now, one thing I want to note is this as grippy as the camo controllers that I unboxed? Description right up there. Or is it less grippy? And on the side right here, you see Xbox controller, batteries. You can play it on all the systems here, even Android and iOS. So that's really cool. I also want to know if you all are playing on mobile, Android, or iOS. Let me know what you're playing. Put that right about there. So, I'm sorry, put that in the description or in the comments below. So let's go ahead and open this up. You see that? You only get this if you unbox it the first time. Keep that in mind. So let's get rid of that plastic there. Let's open this bad boy up. No, it doesn't come with any noise like that. But man, oh man, this controller looks spectacular, guys. I mean, wow. I haven't even taken it all the way out yet, but this controller looks it. So you got the StormCloud Vapor. I mean, yeah. So let's take this out right here. Here's our StormCloud Vapor on the side. I'm feeling the texture grips, guys. I'm feeling, yeah, it has that extra grippiness. They went blue all the way around, man. I really love that. And then the USB-C charger, love that. Something really cool if you're using that Xbox extended battery pack, you can use that. Or, you know, just go ahead and put in the AA's and get the rechargeable ones from Amazon. It'll save you a ton of money. Love this, man. Love this already. Let's put her to the side here. Inside, we have 2 AA batteries, Duracell. Shouts out Duracell. And inside, we have our literature. Here's our literature right here. If you don't know how to use an Xbox controller by now, please check out any of my other videos. It's very simple and easy to use. But if you're into the Xbox family, man, this is not going to be your only controller. And no doubt you're going to be kicking it with a lot more controllers. A lot of literature with this one. Regulatory information. Going to put all that right back in the box because I will not be using it, looking at it, or reading it ever again. Let's go ahead and throw this right back here. And there we go. Our StormCloud Vapor box. Let's go ahead and move our buddies out the side here. You too, man. Sorry. And just throw it out the way. Here's what you get in the box, man. You get the StormCloud Vapor box, 2 AA batteries, literature, and the beautiful, beautiful controller here, man. Let's zoom in a little bit. This controller is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. So as you can see, man, like, yeah, listen to when you press the triggers. Like, I love the way that sounds. It's like when you get a new Xbox controller, man, there's no better feeling when it comes to gaming, right? I got a chance to play PlayStation the other day. I really liked it. It was really cool. I'm not really a PlayStation guy. I stopped playing PlayStation around PlayStation 2. But one of the things I can say that we have over PlayStation, Xbox family, is our controller. Like, our controllers are meant for gaming. So I'm going to be putting another video about that kind of talk and some rumors that I heard coming up. And you'll make sure to look out for that video coming up next. Getting back to the StormCloud Vapor controller, man. Extra grippy feel. Love the way this feels. The beautiful embossed blue. Same D-pad. Nothing has really changed here. Your share button, pause. And look how they did the XBYNA. Like, I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of iridescent there. I really like that when I shimmer it in the camera here. You got your share icon and then your connectivity or trying to connect to your Xbox there. Look at the Xbox branding right here. Very premium, very nice, man. Just comparing this to another controller here. Our buddy, the limited edition Starfield controller. Now, I was going to say this controller is a lot more heavier, but that's because I have the power pack on the back. But just looking at them there, man, like, there's no really differentiation between the two. And then when I hold them, like, I will definitely say that the StormCloud Vapor controller is grippy, but this Starfield controller is really, really grippy. It has a better feel to it too, like on the front, like they kind of sanded this down or something like that. But the StormCloud one though, it's like your thumbs and your palms just rest on this. So I really like how they did that, man. Let's compare it to the OG controller that came with the Series S. And even this controller has a different feel to it. Like, you don't really hold your thumbs down or your palms down on this one. I feel like they're kind of raised a little bit, like I'm ready for some sort of action or something, right? This one definitely is not as grippy at all if I'm comparing it. Like, it does not grip like this one does. Save these two for yourself. Like, this controller is really, really boss, man. Again, this is my quick unboxing and review of the brand new Xbox StormCloud Vapor controller. Only thing left to say is, man, go get yours. I got this on a Black Friday deal for $44.99. Regular, I think, is $69.99 or $64.99. 20 bucks off was a really good deal. They said that it would be like 5 days shipping. I ordered this on what's today? Saturday. I ordered this on Wednesday and I got it yesterday. So it was like 2 days shipping. I don't know how they did that, but shout out to FedEx when the guy dropped it off. He did throw it on my porch though, so points off for that. But other than that, it was really cool and I really liked it, man. This has been a quick unboxing and review of the StormCloud Vapor Microsoft Xbox controller. Until the next video, guys, it's been Steph. Let's get it.